You gonna jump in the pool?
Yeah.
Stop, bro. Don't do that.
I keep dollars on my head. Been a real one is my motto. Hell, my problems I ain't scared. I put powder on my collar, cause she proud of what I said. I'm a leader, I got on follow in my.
Why did I hear that you put the engine in backwards? He put the engine in backwards.
Who said that?
He got fired because he put the engine in backwards.
Who said that?
Oztec. Where they got the fucking engine from?
The transmission.
Transmission from?
How do you put in a tranny in backwards?
I don't know. You tell me. You fucking did it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. It's okay. People make mistakes. You learn from it and then you get fired.
Alright, so today we're going to be finishing up the install for the lift kit on the truck. We got, sorry I'm breathing so hard, I just ran. We got the front section already on, and then we got the diff back on, the steering. We just need to put on the knuckles, and then the back is fairly easy. It's just blocks and U-bolts. Wrecked. Oh, yeah, he wrecked. Fucked his shit up. What happened? Oh, damn.
Here we are. They're about to put your wheel. Okay, I'll turn it around so you can fucking see. Mommy paid. Mommy. So.
These wheels.
What do you want?
For you to record me.
Oh.
Aren't you vlogging?
Yeah, I was gonna record for helping you. I thought you were gonna ask her for help.
No. Keep your fucking happy.
Fine.
We just got the lift done. How's that tasting? Where'd you get it?
Pretty good.
Is it good this time?
Yeah.
What?
You gotta give me eating.
Alright, we're out here riding on the weekend.
Riding on the weekend again. What is it? Hold on, come here, follow me. See? Take me out, take me out. Cool.
Hey, wave it. No, like. You gonna jump in the pool?
Yeah.
You won't?
Oh.
Stop, bro. Don't do that. Where'd you find that? Is it good?
See?
Do it. You won't. Come on, you gotta do it for the vlog.
Nah, fuck the vlog.
Oh, man.
That was.
Jump again.
Go front flip.
Go off the hot tub.
Can you do a front flip?
Come on, there.
Yeah.
The hot tub.
Watch out.
Can you do a cannonball?
Nah, fuck the vlog.
Alright, so what are you? Hey, slow mo.
Hey, Alex. Shut me.
shotgun one and video it. Oh, my baby like,
Alright, so right now we're gonna take some pictures of the trucks in the arena. So we'll see how this goes. Oh my god, look at this dude.
14 watt pump, boy.
Oh my god, that's close.
Pulled up.
Riley's depth perception in this truck is fucked. He literally scraped his wheel on that thing on his side and had like a good 6 feet on the fucking other side.
Really?
God damn it, now I need to go to the car wash. Literally, this dirt is so thick. Oh, I lost my phone too.
Oh fuck.
Who the fuck do that? Oh, where's our phones?
Are they not in the truck? Did you have
No, they're in here somewhere. So my mom dead ass.
Shut up.
Don't spread it out.
I'm
Holy fuck.
Someone hotbox. Leave it in first. Is your traction off? Back into it.
No, drop it in a low gear.
It won't.
It's in first. Put it in the water.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. What the fuck? Hey, leave it in first and give it a lot of RPM. Yeah. More.
Boom. To have him stroke.
yeah, no fake.